Are you planning a trip and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for the United Arab Emirates in 2025. So I'll break down the pricing data and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts just in case you're interested. So the links are found in the description below. So let's dive in. The eSIM provider that I recommend for the United Arab Emirates is Airalo. If you want cheap and flexible plans, then Airalo is a great option. For the Emirates, you can get 1 gig for $4.50, which is valid for 7 days. There's also 2 gig for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3 gig for $9.50, which gives you 30 days of data. Heavier users can go for the 5 gig plan at $13, 10 gig at $21, and 20 gig for $35. Now, these plans all last 30 days. For those who need unlimited data, there's a data plan for $35 that lasts 10 days. The app is really easy to use, and once you buy a plan, you're going to get a QR code right away and you're ready to go. If you need more data, you can top up easily from the app anytime. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount, which brings the 10 gig plan down to $18.90. Now, if you already have tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, maybe you want something even simpler, then I'm going to recommend you to Maya Mobile. I've used it myself and it's great. So if speed and simplicity are what you care about most, then Maya has a solid plan for you, though it costs just a little bit more than the United Arab Emirates. For 10 days, you can get 3 gig for $15.29, 5 gig for $21.59, or 10 gig for $40.49. If you need more data than that, then there's the 20 gig plan, which is $68.39. Everything is 5G ready and works right away. Maya has good coverage and a simple website, so you're just going to choose your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app to deal with, and so let me explain to you how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. So when you click on the link in the description below, it's going to take you to Maya's homepage, and from there, you're just going to type in United Arab Emirates into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans, and you're just going to choose the one that fits your needs the best. At checkout, you're going to see that 10% discount automatically applied on the screen, and once you complete the payment, you're going to get a QR code instantly. You're going to scan that with your phone, and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So which one should you choose, Airalo or Maya Mobile? Well, if you want the best overall deal, especially for your light usage or long stays, then Airalo takes the top spot. Plans are flexible and the app is user-friendly, and with that 10% discount, you're paying as little as $1.35 per gig on the 20 gig option. But if you're going for short-term, high-speed use and you prefer a no-app checkout process, then Maya Mobile is a perfectly good backup. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Just pick the one that suits your trip the best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected to the UAE in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.